PaMu Quiet. On today's video, we'll be reviewing the PaMu Quiet earbuds. They are very impressive wireless earbuds with a very impressive specs. They have released earbuds in the past, and the way they house the earbuds is always impressive. And these ones are not that different, as you guys can see. Welcome to our channel, Tubers Fun Fun. Thiago here. Hope you guys are okay. If it's your first time here, we'll unbox cool tech and review it. Without any further ado, let's talk about these cool earbuds, starting like always with the price. If you go on PadMate's site, you can see a picture of the PaMu Quiet and with a little shop now. They say it's 50% now. So when you press that, you're going to be sent to an Indiegogo campaign where 8,000 people has backed the earbuds, and you can buy them for £92 in UK, and you can see you can buy 2 of them or 5 of them with a special price. We don't know if the price will change or not later on, but for now it's £92 with free delivery. Let's unbox them and see how they are. Nice big box with a case in the front. On the side you got PaMu and the specs on the back. And the 2 important specs they have is active cancellation, noise cancellation, and Qualcomm aptX in the front. The box opens like a book, and here they are. I love the case. Like I said before, they have always different cases. This one looks like an old watch. A few small boxes inside with the manuals and the cables, I believe. Love the case. Let's start with this one. So here is all the manuals. Let's jump to the next one. Let's see what we got here. And you have a nice pouch, so you can carry your earbuds inside. Quite good quality. And you have a lanyard to strap to the case, so you can have that around your neck, for example. Type-C USB charger cable, and we have the ear tips. Let's have a look on the case now. It feels so strong. It's good quality. Got a push button on the top, and you push and it opens. The case reminds me of an old pocket watch. One of the big plus about the case is its wireless charging case. Just love the case. Good material. Type-C USB. Feels great on the hands. Let's have a look on an earbud. First thing about the earbuds, they remind me about the AirPods. They have the shorter stem on them. They use touch control, and they allow you to control everything, even the sound, if you're changing on the app. The noise cancellation can be turned on and off as well, pressing for 2 seconds. The case have a light ring around it to let you know if there's any battery left. Let's talk about some of the features of the PaMu Quiet. dual noise sensor technology, dual chip noise cancellation, wireless and Type-C, deep bass, touch control, Qualcomm apts. Very impressive specs, but doesn't finish here. We got a comfort design, apX4 water and sweat resistant, Bluetooth 5, 10mm titanium drivers, battery life to 10.5 hours, and CVC 8.0. And they have an app as well, like I said before. It's a very simple app, but it works. It works for iOS or Android. And with the app, you can change the controls. So if you want to have the volume up and down, you have to change it on the app because they don't come with that already. And you can change the ANC modes on and off. And you can do the firmware update as well on the app. Very simple, but works. Let's have a look of the CVC 8.0 now. So this is the sound outside. They look quite good. They got a nice microphone. So guys, like always, just let me know in the comments what you guys think about the sound. And this is the sound inside of the house. Again, just let me know in the comments what you guys think about the sound of this microphone of the earbuds. I'm hoping it's quite good inside of the house. And let's go back to the video. So it's time for my final impression. They are very dynamic sound earbuds. They have bass, they have a lot of punch, a lot of presence. A very clean treble. Feels like you can get the most of every frequency. You can pick details very well. These earbuds handle all genres very well. I think it's going to be a product that a lot of people is going to be happy with. It's just a great alternative earbuds with noise cancellation. And with a price tag under £100, they are great. Like always, the product links will be down below on the video description. This was my review on the PaMu Quiet. Thanks for watching the video and the others as well. And if you want to support the channel, please like this video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Stay safe, and I see you on my next review. Bye.